So over here you can see that I got an image right here, and let's just go around over here and do an object selection right here just like this, and then I'm going to go around and make a new layer via copy out of this right here just like this. So this is one of the layers that I have right here, and let me just go around and then grab another layer as well. So I'm going to go around and do an object selection and select this object right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and do layer via copy right here. So as I go ahead right here just like this, so let's just go around and select this right here now and go for layer via cut right here, or layer via copy. Let me just go around, do layer via copy right here. So as I have multiple layers, you can see that I get the names of the layers as layer 1, 2, and 3 right here. But what I want is, let's say for example, I want the layers to be easily recognizable. In that case, you can go around and rename out the layer as well. So this is the layer that I have right here, as you can see right here. So if I were to double click on the layer right here, then I get to write the names of the layer. So you can see that this is the first layer right here, and these are the oranges. So I'm just going to go around and say oranges right here, just like this. Apart from that, you got the layer 2 right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then add in, let's say for example, big apples right here, just like this. And then for this one, I'm going to say small apples right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go around, rename out at the background as well, as let me just go around and say picture right here, just like this. And now as I renamed out the layers, I exactly know. So let's say for example, if I were to click on oranges, I exactly know which layer I'm selecting right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and then change up the selection right here, and I got the big apples and the small apples right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and rename out the layers inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.